One thing we've learned at Pronto Tax School in the process of working with thousands of tax professionals nationwide and being a part of your guys' training experience each year is that tax preparers, we like to make decisions based on numbers. We like to feel like we have all the numbers laid out in front of us as to why something makes sense or why something doesn't make sense. So in this video, I want to show you some numbers-based reasons why smart and forward-thinking tax professionals are focusing a lot of effort right now on the corporation, S corporation, and LLC tax preparation and also tax consulting market. So let's look at some numbers-based reasons why that's the case. Trend number one would be TurboTax and the other do-it-yourself online programs are really eating up pretty consistently the 1040 personal tax return market. And one number you could look at there would be there were 9 million more e-files in 2017 than in 2014 according to the IRS, and less than 6% of those new e-files used a professional tax preparer. It's a pretty low number. Trend number two, we have a massive and ongoing rise in self-employment. So many people being put on to 1099 whereas they were on W-2, or they're starting up a new company in addition to their main job. 34% of workers are currently self-employed, and I'm sure if you've been doing taxes, you see more Schedule Cs, more LLCs, more S Corps than ever before. Experts are predicting that by 2020, which is not that far away at all, 50% of all workers will be self-employed. So that's another key trend driving the move towards business entity tax returns. Trend number three, this one's a little bit under the radar, is that there's a greatest generation of CPAs, and these are the true experts in our field that are dealing with the business clients and have those big books of business of all these business clients that are have good businesses and all that sort of thing. According to the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, more than 75% of all CPAs will be retiring within the next 15 years, and 66% of partners in CPA firms are over age 50. These three major ongoing trends point to a great opportunity for tax professionals, and it's just simple to start doing more business entity tax work, so corporations, S corporations, and LLCs. Instead of starting up a separate, unrelated business to try to fill in some of these income gaps as a tax preparer, there's something that's right underneath our nose, which is to start doing more of this type of work and to work with clients who actually know that they need tax help. According to the National Society of Accountants, another number to look at would be the average fee to do a corporation return, Form 1120, would be $826, not including the state return. Most CPAs are going to start their pricing at a minimum of $1,000 for any business entity tax return, and it goes up from there. And a lot of these business entity clients are accustomed to paying $3,000 or more for their annual tax work. That's something that they expect. There's just one small problem when it comes to actually take advantage of this opportunity. If you're like most tax professionals who've been focused on individual 1040 clients, you don't know how to do these business entity tax returns. And I say that having experienced that myself. Or you might halfway know how to do these returns, but deep down, you just don't feel comfortable and confident. Another big problem that comes along with not feeling confident about the technical side of the work is you're not sure how to handle the clients themselves. Business owners are intense people involved in an intense endeavor, and these are the type of clients that if you're not careful, will cause a tremendous amount of stress if they're not handled correctly. So at Pronto Tax School, we've set out to solve those problems for you. We show you how to do the actual Corp, S Corp, and LLC tax work, not only tax preparation, but also tax consulting. And then secondly, we show you how to handle the actual clients themselves, these business clients. And we do all this in our new Business Tax Verified training program, where we teamed up with CPA Adam Shea, an entrepreneur focused tax professional. The price of the entire program is less than the average charge for one of these tax returns. That's another number to keep in mind. This is the little seal that we have, and we have on here something that we thought it was a little bit humorous of ask me what this means. And people that are completing this training program, as to what it means to complete this program, is that it means that I have extensive special training in the areas of business entity tax preparation and consulting, corporations, S corporations, and LLCs. That's what it means when you complete this training program. How do you think that might help you to be able to say that to potential clients or even to your existing business clients that you've invested in training that makes you qualified and comfortable and confident when doing this kind of work. If that sounds interesting to you, sounds like it could solve a problem that you have and help you grow your business, go ahead and visit prontotaxschool.com, or if you want to call us directly, our tax school customer service hotline is 310-422-1283. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.